Hi everyone, this is Mr. Chen. So today I'm going to talk about general form of equation of a straight line. So please turn to a new page of your notebook, write down the date of today and the learning target. So there are two. The first learning target is convert y equals to mx plus c into Ax plus By plus capital C equals to 0. Okay. And the second learning target is interpret Ax plus By plus C equals to 0. Okay, let's go. So in the previous chapter, we have learned about y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so please mark it down. So in mathematics, we will call this equation of straight line slope intercept form. Okay, slope intercept form because it gives us the slope m and the y-intercept c. Okay, so therefore, in this section, we will try to convert it into a new form, that is general form. Okay, and what the form looks like is that it will look like Ax plus By plus C equals to 0. So please put a star on it. Okay, so I will show you an example. You can mark it down on your notebook. An example. So for example, now there is an equation of straight line y equals to 4 over 3 x plus 2. So I want to convert it into a general form. So our first step, we will multiply both sides with 3. Okay, in order to remove the brackets, remove the fraction. Okay, therefore, 3y equals to 4x plus 6. Finally, we will convert it into 0. We will make it to be 0. So we just simply move the 3y to the right hand side. So it will become 0 equals to 4x minus 3y plus 6. Finally, 4x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. So I just simply exchange the left hand side with the right hand side. Okay, so this is general form. So how can we know that we are finished or we have finished the questions? That is, we can check. For a general form, there are two standards. The first standard is the equation must be equals to 0. Okay. And next step, there is no more fraction. No more fractions. Okay, so this is the rule for a general form, or for you to check if we have finished this the step or not. Okay, so for the next part, please help me to draw the x-y axis on your notebook. Okay, so and then please help me to draw a straight line on it. So sometimes the questions will give you the slope intercept form y equals to mx plus c, but sometimes the question will give you the general form of the equation of an equation of straight line Ax plus By plus C equals to 0. So how can we calculate the information that we need using the general form? So I will show you the step. For Ax plus By plus C equals to 0. So how can we calculate the x-intercept, y-intercept, or even the slope? Okay, so we will do the calculations. Okay, so first, Ax plus By plus C equals to 0. So we'll keep the By on the left-hand side, and then we will move other things to the right-hand side. So it will become negative Ax, negative C minus C. And then we will remove the b in front of y, so it is by division. So it will become negative a over b x minus c over b. As a result, when we compare this equation or this state with y equals to mx plus c, okay, we can get that. For the m, for the slope, it is negative a over b. And then for the y-intercept c, it will become negative c over b. So that we can mark it down. For the slope, it is negative a over b, and then for the y-intercept, it is equals to negative c over b. Okay, so on the figures, I will again mark it down. The slope m equals to negative a over b, and then for the y-intercept, the point here, it will become negative c over b. And finally, how can we calculate the x-intercept? So again, we will use the equation Ax. We will again use the equation Ax plus By plus C again equals to 0 again. So for the x-intercept, we just simply put y equals to 0. Okay, so therefore, Ax plus C equals to 0. Okay, and Ax equals to negative C, and x is equals to negative C over A. So therefore, this value is the x-intercept. So we can mark it down. Finally, x-intercept equals to negative C over A. So similarly, on the figures, the x-intercept is the green color, and then I will mark negative C over A. So this is the conclusion. This is the conclusion of our calculations. So when we want to calculate the informations from the Ax plus By plus C, first, one of the method is we can just simply remember, so the slope, the y-intercept, and the x-intercept, negative a over b, negative c over b, and negative c over a respectively. This is one of the method. But another method is we can learn the method or learn the steps that we calculated. Then the red box we don't have to memorize. Okay, so now you can help me to complete 2 classwork. Okay, help me to spend some time to finish the classwork. Okay, around 10 minutes. Okay, so you can pause the videos and then and then count the time 10 minutes for these 2 classworks. So later on, I will show you some examples about general form of equations of straight line.